In this video, we are going to see that if you are unable to download the Discord setup and it says installation has fails to extract the installer, no matter whatever browser you are using, here's a quick fix for you. So first of all, if you have Discord already installed, it might cause you some problem to download the fresh copy. So in that case, if you want to remove it completely, just go to settings, right? Settings in the start menu. This is for Windows 11. And go to applications, click on installed apps and search for Discord here. If you want to discover here, you can just hit uninstall, click on uninstall again. And if you were able to download it, let's say with Chrome, that's good. But otherwise, it might detect the activity that is already done on Google Chrome. So you might need to uninstall that one as well. I know you need to reinstall them both, but that's the solution for it. And after that, just close out of here. And before even downloading a fresh copy of Discord, you can just restart your computer to make this effective. And once you have done that, you can just write Discord here, click on the download for Windows, and you will see that it downloads without a problem. So even though you already have the driver or the software downloaded, I recommend you to download a fresh copy of it and just install that. Also, if you're still having a problem with the current browser, you just try changing browser to something else like Microsoft Edge. And you can see now it is perfectly working. You don't even need to re-log in and do all of that stuff. It will re-log in automatically, even if you uninstall it completely and then reinstall it. So otherwise, if it is not, you can just enter the email and password manually and you are good to go. So that's how you can resolve it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.